Significant figures aren't just picky rules, they show you how precise your measurement really is. 120 centimeters isn't as precise as 120.0 centimeters. More digits means more certainty. In this video, I'll give you the exact rules you need to master sig figs and never lose easy points again. The first rule is that every non-zero digit counts. So a number like 523 has 3 significant figures. Second is that zeros trapped between non-zero digits always count. Think of them as sandwiched in. So a number like 507 also has 3 significant figures. Third is that zeros in front don't count. They're just placeholders. So a number like 0048 only has 2 significant figures. Fourth is that zeros at the end do count, but only if there's a decimal. That's why a number like 12.300 has 5 significant figures. Those zeros at the end help to show precision. If there is no decimal, trailing zeros are ambiguous. 1500 could mean 2, 3, or 4 sig figs. To be clear, always use scientific notation. When you calculate, the answer must match the least precise number. For multiplication and division, match the fewest sig figs. For addition and subtraction, match the fewest decimal places. Here's a quick recap. Non-zeros always count, middle zeros count, leading zeros don't count, trailing zeros only count if there's a decimal, and for whole numbers, use scientific notation to be clear. Now let's practice counting sig figs. Go ahead and pause the video now and try these on your own, and then I'll reveal the answers. First, 0.02050 only has 4 significant figures. Second, 5070 doesn't have a decimal, so it only has 3 significant figures. And third, 0.0089 only has 2 significant figures. Now let's practice some calculations. First, 2.5 times 3.42 gives us 8.55, but we round to the fewest number of sig figs, which is 2, giving us 8.6. Second, 12.300 plus 0.45 equals 12.750, but we round to the fewest number of decimal places, giving us 12.75. And that's a complete breakdown of significant figures plus some practice. If this helped you out, hit the like button, subscribe for more STEM tutorials, and drop a comment with the next topic that you want me to cover. Thanks for watching.